Good morning, class 2. Today I will explain you your EVS chapter 21. So all of you please open your book, go to page 117. Chapter 21 is all about the sun, the moon, sky and the stars. So here we start the chapter. The sky is home to the sun, moon and stars. We live on planet Earth and the sky is above us. The sun, moon, and stars are always present in the sky. However, we cannot see all of them at the same time. The stars, the moons, and can be seen only during the night time when the sun goes down. Similarly, the sun can only be seen during the day. We all know that the sky looks blue during the day and black during the night. In the afternoon, the sun shines brighter than it had during the morning when it first rose from the east. It slowly becomes dark as the sun sets in the west during the evening. Now we will read about sky in rainy days. During normal days, the sky looks bright and blue. Clouds emerge and it starts raining. The sky looks a bit like the evening sky. Dirts get washed off all the plants and trees and make them look really green. It becomes cool after rainfall. Sometimes a rainbow also comes out after rains. Children enjoy playing in the rain. They do not care if their clothes get dirty or wet. The sky during different seasons. The sky is somewhat the same throughout the year. However, seasons does affect the appearance of the sky during different seasons. Sometime during winter we may not see a clear sky. The sky might become cloudy when the sun hides behind the clouds. In winters, when it becomes very cold and fog appears, then we may not be able to see the moon or the stars. Now, here are the pictures of the sky and its surrounding during the different seasons, especially summer daytime and nighttime, and then winter daytime and nighttime. So, symbolic maps. Now we will learn about the symbolic maps. Sometimes in maps, in places of words, we use pictures or symbols to express ideas. It is not always necessary to have a word to tell what something is. We can use signs and symbols to express an idea. On a map, you will find a small box which explains the meaning of the symbols. A symbol is a drawing, line, or dot that stands for something. For example, we may show right and left arrows for direction. Since a symbol is a drawing or sign that stands for a real place or thing, symbol can be made for nearly everything. For hospitals in an area, instead of writing hospitals, we can put the symbol of a cross in red color. In the symbolic map, you will find a box on the left side which explains the meaning of symbols used on the map. Now we will learn about route map. A route map is a map that shows the main roads in the particular area or the main routes used by the buses, trains and other forms of transports in a particular area. If you see the map of a town, you will know that it is easy to tell someone the direction to your school from the hospital by marking arrows to show direction of movement. Solar system and others heavenly body. The solar system is made up of the sun and the planets and their satellites and other celestial bodies like the asteroids and comets. In the solar system, the sun is at the center while the other planets and heavenly bodies revolve around the sun. The sun keeps the planet and the other heavenly bodies together by its gravitational pull. We get day and night because the earth is turning, and sometimes you can see the sun and sometimes you can't. It takes 24 hours for the earth to turn all the way round, and we call this a day. The following example that shows the sides to which the sun is facing is experiencing day, while the other side of the planet Earth is experiencing night. The Earth rotates and the side that was earlier experiencing a day will experience night. So from this we came to know that the rotation of the earth, which takes 24 hours, that means a day, within the 24 hours when the earth rotates on its own, the day and night occurs. The side of the earth that faces the sun experiences daytime, while the opposite direction, which is away from the sun, it does not get the sunlight. Hence that portion experiences night time. So this was a chapter. I hope all of you have understood it well. So thank you.